You want an SUV that will hit 300,000 miles without bankrupting you? In 2026, most new cars are just disposable iPads on wheels. But the data proves these 2025 models successfully carry on the legacy of the most reliable SUVs of all time. Number 5. The Honda Pilot. This nameplate built its reputation in the early 2000s. And while other brands have downsized to unproven turbocharged four-cylinders, Honda held the line. If you are buying right now in 2026, you want the 2025 Pilot because it still houses the legendary naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. It's paired with a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic that doesn't hunt for gears or hesitate at low speeds. It is mechanically straightforward, heavy-duty, and engineered to survive a decade of soccer practice and road trips without a single check engine light. While the Pilot dominates the three-row family space, if you want that same bulletproof longevity wrapped in leather, you look at number 4, the Lexus RX, specifically the 2025 RX 350h. The RX series is historically the most reliable luxury SUV ever manufactured. The 2025 hybrid model continues that dominance by using Toyota's eCVT, which isn't a traditional fragile belt-driven transmission at all. It uses heavy-duty planetary gears and electric motors. There are simply fewer moving parts to break. In 2026, buying a lightly used 2025 RX is the ultimate financial cheat code. It depreciates slower than almost anything else on the market. We are talking about vehicles engineered to go the distance. But I'm curious, what is the highest mileage you have ever personally put on a single vehicle? Drop the make, model, and the final mileage in the comments below. I want to see who holds the current record. Number 3. The Subaru Forester. The Forester has been the official vehicle of surviving terrible weather for 25 years. When the 2025 model launched, people were worried Subaru would ruin it with overcomplicated tech. They didn't. They kept the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine. By 2025, Subaru had completely ironed out the head gasket and oil consumption issues that plagued their early 2010s models. If you buy this 2025 model today, you are getting an incredibly refined, symmetrical all-wheel drive system that requires nothing more than routine fluid changes to outlast the financing term. Moving up in size, number 2 is the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Historically, large SUVs needed thirsty V8 engines to get out of their own way. The Highlander changed the game. This was the king of 2025, and it is still the absolute smartest buy right now in 2026. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain has been battle-tested across millions of Toyota vehicles globally. It routinely hits 250,000 miles in taxi and rideshare fleets under the harshest city driving conditions imaginable. You get 3 rows of seating, 35 miles per gallon, and the statistical probability that your mechanic will forget what you look like. Number 1. The Toyota RAV4. It is the best-selling SUV in the world, and it earned that title through sheer, undeniable reliability. If you are standing on a dealership lot in 2026 trying to decide where to put your money, the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid is the safest bet in the automotive industry. It perfectly balances the old-school reliability Toyota is famous for with enough modern tech to keep you comfortable. The hybrid battery packs are routinely lasting well over a decade, and the drivetrain is virtually indestructible if you just follow the maintenance manual. It isn't flashy, but it is the ultimate peace of mind. You can gamble your money on an unproven 2026 redesign, or you can buy one of these 2025 legends and sleep well at night. If you want to know which sedans actually made the reliability cut this year, check out the video on the screen right now. Drive safe.